Okay, I just came from a restaurant called Burger 82. So this is what it looks like. I have, this might be the chicken. This is the chicken burger, just to show you. I did not get any mayonnaise, but that does come as an option. So this is my first time trying the restaurant. Oh, it does look good. It smells good. So there's that. I got a house salad with no dressing. And this is the turkey burger here because I do not eat beef. Ooh, the bun's like nice and yellow looking. This is not beef, this is a turkey burger. It's called Burger 82. I'll let you know what it tastes like after I finish eating. I'm gonna watch this movie on Amazon called A Million Miles Away or something. Where it's like he goes out into outer space as an astronaut for the first time. I think it's called A Million Miles Away. Yes, I have aluminum foil on top of my bed. I do not eat at the table. I am a savage. I don't know what else to tell you. But I'm going to enjoy the food. I'll let you know how it is later. I just got back. Need to hurry and shower. I really don't want to heat it up. I don't want to burn it. I don't want it too hard. So I'm going to taste test it after I get out, start the movie and everything. But I'll let you know how it is later on if I recommend the restaurant. It's called Burger 82. So there you go. Burger 82. Right there. So. Boom. See ya. Okay, so here it is. Have it on my plate. There we go. Like I said, I live far away from everything, so it's a little cool. It's not cold, but I may have to go reheat it up. I hate that, but you know, that sucks. I'm living far away. That's how it is, but I'm still gonna enjoy this. I'll let you know how it tastes later. And the movie I'm watching is called A Million Miles Away. It's on Amazon. It has 5 stars. So, let you know how this is later. Looks good. Okay, so I finished eating the food from Burger 82. I do recommend it. It was good. Now, I don't really know how to judge it because I rarely eat at any restaurants, you know, so I can't really see how I can't say how it compares to other burger places. But yeah, it would be better than like places like Chick-fil-A and McDonald's. Like I haven't had McDonald's since like 2005, 2006 or something like that. So, but yeah, if you're looking for something that's a little better than those, I do recommend it. It was good. As for the movie, A Million Miles Away, that movie was phenomenal. It might be an Emmy, a nominee, award movie. I don't know. The entire cast was Mexican, Latino. That's crazy, dude. That's some pretty phenomenal stuff there, man. I didn't even expect that as I was looking, because I look at the credits list because, you know, I work in animation and things like that. So, you know, since I'm in animation field, games, I always look at the credits. I look for companies. So that was pretty cool to see. Like the entire cast and crew, like everyone was Latino, Hispanic, Mexican. Everybody, that was insane. And the film was incredible, dude. I recommend watching the film. So yeah, I ate the Burger 82, watched the film, had a good night. It's 1:02 a.m. Alright? And now I'm about to go watch CB4 for the first time, so there you go. But that's all I have. Just sort of review on the food there. I recommend it. I can't really give it a score. I'll just give it a good score. That's all I can say. Because I haven't, like I said, I don't go to burger joints, restaurants, or anything like that. So, I rarely eat burgers in general. But I just wanted to try that turkey burger and the chicken sandwich and the salad. Salad was good too. So, anyway, I'll see you.